Alright people, got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Be like Mike, part 3, you know what we're about here, okay? Just got these ones, Nike Air Jordan 6 Black Infrared AJ, man. So we're about to see what's inside the box. Other than that, if it's your first time out here, sub to the channel, like the video, share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all out here and we love your support. Without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Let's do it.
So pretty exciting to get color details. We're gonna see what these ones look like. You can't see the price.
Alright. The prices vary. Alright, just bear that in mind. The prices do vary wherever you go on the net or out there. Get rid of this plastic. So this is the box. Here are your AJ6 retro, by the way. Okay, infrared. Time to open the box. Let's see what's inside the box. That's what we're here for. Whoa, have a look at this. Have a look at this. I didn't know you're gonna come with a pouch or whatever this may be. Looks like a pouch to me. Okay, with the Jumpman OJ on. You tell me what you think about it. Okay, we're always talking about authenticity here. Okay, so I'll put on the side some type of instructions in Chinese right here, because I cannot get this from Singapore. Alright, so let's see what we have here. I can already see that there are a couple of things missing in this box. Okay, I'm not too comfortable with that. We don't have the, you know, I know the box is a little bit beat up, so I don't know if other people have worn this or return it. However, let's see the rest of the box and see what's, you know, let me remove these shoes and we can kind of like take it from there. Yeah, they're looking dope. They're looking dope. You know, leave all your comment right down below. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, they're looking dope. Everything looks to me, let me see. Okay, it's pretty hard. Okay, it's pretty hard. Okay, these are your AJ 6 retro. Alright, 6 retro infrared. I'm gonna put on the side for now. Pretty exciting. Yeah, have a look. This should be in here correctly, but other than that, that's what's inside the box. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side for now. That's what's inside the box. There's nothing else in there. That thing have burst. I need to get rid of that. Guys, what's inside the box? That's what's inside the box. Okay, all right, the shoes themselves and this pouch and a little on the stick. This is the part 3. Be like my part 3. Okay, you see that these has nothing on the tongue here. Alright, there's nothing on the tongue. I will be showing you the inside of the shoes in a minute. You do the inside, then I'll put them on feet out there looking flick. Alright, you can't really, you know, appreciate it due to the camera, the lighting and everything else. But yeah, they're pretty dope. They're okay, you know, they're pretty dope. I may not sound too excited about it because I'm being very cautious. shoes. Okay, the little pump here. Alright, let me pull this up. The bubble, whatever you call it. Yeah. The Ferrari style spoiler right there. I'm gonna show you the inside now. You are greeted with this. Take that out. Some people judge this as authentic or fake once they find it in there. You see the gap, if it's matte or not, whatever. You do your own investigation to find out. And make sure you buy in your shoes from a reputable seller. Okay, we got it. Inside of the shoes, I hope you can see the inside of the shoes. We have the Jordan sign, which is okay. The inside has the size, okay, and the Jordan logo. Yeah, pretty dodgy one. Other than that, let me just zoom out so you can see more of what I'm showing you. So yeah, there is a couple of you know, disputable things on these shoes that is absolutely all right. Just a second, let's see the second one. I think I'm gonna be ending the video in no time. I'll still put them on feet just to show you the comparisons. And yeah, the Craftsman shit, you can see even here that it's not well done. I hope you can see that. Let me just zoom on there. I hope you can see. Can you see? It's absolutely garbage there. Let's have a look at this one. Alright, this one is a little bit better. Yeah, this is way better. So you can see there's no evenness to the whole thing. Alright, I'll see you outside with it.
Yeah, walk down there, walk there.
Well, we should film the flex on box. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
Space melody on the beat. Space melody.
Green light, red light, green light. Red light, humber, green light, let's ride, red light, rumba, green light, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, humber, green light. That's right. Let's ride. Switch it. Roof down. I'm by fly. I'm by roll. I'm on the road. 24/7. Make meals. Think meals. New plans. Every day. Investments. Entrepreneurial. Minded old ways. Never waste time. Fly.